Oh, hello there. Welcome to the next tutorial, Hungry Cat Part 2. But this week we're gonna make lives. To be fun, and the player can have a challenge. Okay, let's just start doing the code. Alright, go to a cat sprite, and then go to this place, and then you place make one, and do lives. Lives, okay, like that. Alright, so just grab one here and then set lives to whatever 3. Alright, like that. See, so the lives can be shown up here. Now we're gonna make some that can take your lives away. Danger places. So we're going to make the cat don't touch the edge or else it'll lose in health. Okay, so grab if then and forever. Like here, like this. And then do sensing. And then if touching edge, then looks. I mean motion go to the middle, which is x0 y0. So let's just do it here like that, and then wait 1 second, 0.1 like that, 0.1 like that. Okay, after this then change lies by -1. I mean -1 like that, like this. So let's test it out. Oh yeah, then don't forget to duplicate it and put it to 1 click as well. So it's like this. But you can't die, so we're gonna make how you die. You can die in the game. So then go to control. If then, if health equals 0, we're gonna grab here and then drag this live, then looks, then go to sound and place and mirror until they are done, and then looks. I'm gonna do stop all. I mean stop. Control. Go to control and then wait a second. Then stop all like that. Alright, let's just see it. Oh, alright. That's better. And then we do start send mail. Okay, let's quickly do start send mail for the better effect. Or for start send mail. Start send mail. That let's just see. Let's just test it out. Okay, that works. Alright, let's just quickly do. Let's just do something like we're gonna do an effect when you die. Like let's choose a sound. I'm going to search up. Just scroll down. No, we don't want cough. We want let's keep looking. I think this one's the best, so I'm gonna choose this one. And then just do start placing it done, whatever. And then see.